If you're stuck in a job right now that bleeds you more than it feeds you, if you know you need to make a move, you need to make a change, but you're just waiting for the right time and the right opportunity, I'd like to talk to you about the Yoga Teachers College. This is an opportunity to become a professional yoga teacher. You know, one of the worst things in life is when you feel stuck in your own life. Wrong job, wrong friends, maybe even the wrong city. It's just a horrible, horrible feeling. You know, a bad boss can really ruin your life. The wrong city or the wrong social group can keep you stuck for years. When it's time to make a move, you just need to jump right in. So let's talk about yoga teaching. Class, if you could, take a child's pose. Let me explain this for a moment. So back when I first started teaching, it was really difficult. All the yoga jobs were controlled by a handful of yoga studios. The pay was really bad, the hours were terrible, but things have really changed since then. Now there's more yoga outside of studios than inside studios. That means gyms and fitness centers, health clubs, even schools and public sector jobs, which means better hours, better pay, and more opportunity. It's just a better time to be a yoga teacher. Our graduates are doing amazing things all around the world. They're earning a comfortable living, they're making a big difference in their students' lives, and probably most importantly, they're living a life on purpose. So if you've reached a place in your life where you'd like to find more purpose, if yoga is your passion, if you'd like to make it your career and maybe even your calling, I'd encourage you to visit our website, watch the videos and read the stories from our trainees and our graduates, and see if what we're building here at the Yoga Teachers College is something that connects with your life goals as well. Thanks so much for your interest in the Yoga Teachers College. I look forward to reading your application, and I hope you can join us for a course very soon. Okay, class, if you could tuck your toes under and push back to a downward facing dog.